ones that got me fucked up in this bitch. But it's okay, I'm thinking rich, cause when I get it, I promise that your bitch gonna call me, cause you ain't talking like the rest of us. Think it's really funny how you ain't about what you talk about. Boy, find a different route, try to get some paper up. Bet you go see what it's about. Think it's about some bitches when really it's about the business. And the difference from a distance, how you try to do it bigger. But you ain't about that life, nigga. Don't get me twisted, getting money's just a sport. And this music shit was gifted from the woods of Minnesota and brought it to the cities where I'm all about the paper chase. I got my niggas with me, hallelujah. I'm glad my mama kept me running the kitchen, now I'm eating on my own. Ain't no worries how I'm living, how you hating and you broke, always acting like you winning. How about you find the grind, quit getting in competitions with niggas that chasing paper. Use a prime example on how to be a hater, but ain't nobody worried about you. Hey, you should get yours just like I get mine, cause money once told me never ever waste time. I'm unpredictable, you might as well give me the title. I brought the heat up in the building, about to start a riot. I'm not ain't tripping, I'm surviving off of 8 to 4 and make them wanna give me sloppy like my name is Joe. All my niggas that surround me wearing low cuts, splash gang throw it up so they know it's us. I'm walking in the club smoking what they call the best and taking hella shots, no bulletproof vest. And you get the fact I'm different, your bitch ain't talking to you, it's cause I'm in your distance. You do not even hate me, you just don't like my existence. Boy, you triple pink slipping while I get that bitch to business.
Lately I've been thinking, plotting, coming up with schemes, chasing money in my sleep, that's what I call chasing dreams. Bitches on my nerves, so I send them to the curb. No love lost here, no love left. Feeling like a threat, looking like a check. Chillin' with my niggas, smoking swishers on the step. Slanging what I need to get my family out of debt. Think you seen the best, nigga, you ain't seen shit yet. Got a trick up my sleeve, a hole on my arm. Ain't a bitch that I need, or one that I don't want. I'm thinking with my dick, but the brain say the same. Hard to think about the sun when you wet from the rain. Hard to think about what's right when you trying to get through pain. I ain't thinking about a loss, I'm trying to get a gain. Got these bitches on my nuts talking about they wanna hang. But I know one thing, nothing lasts forever. Unless you let it decide, you don't settle. We all trapped, ain't an easy way out. I ain't preaching, speaking truth out my mouth. Lungs full of clouds and my thoughts full of doubts. Only me and my ruler, cause nothing else counts. Only me and my ruler, cause nothing else counts.